Hi guys! In today's video, we're going to watch a really cool clip of some dangerous driving situations. These questionable driving maneuvers are a stark reminder of the importance of staying alert and alert on the road. Not only do we need to drive safely, but we also need to be on the lookout for drivers who don't follow the rules. That's why road safety is always a top priority. Let's get started and learn your lesson.
Turn right on Paul Huff Parkway.
A black car with broken brakes could not stop, drove at a speed of up to 100 km/h and crashed into a house. The driver completely lost control, causing a serious accident. Fortunately, there were no major casualties. To avoid accidents, it is necessary to regularly check the brakes and always follow a safe speed when driving. When driving in the rain, always maintain a safe speed and keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front. Slippery roads can make braking more difficult, so reduce your speed to ensure better control and avoid accidents. Robert was driving in Tampa, Florida when he got into an accident. While taking a call from his girlfriend, he didn't notice that the car in front of him had its hazard lights on. When he realized it was too late, Robert collided with the back of the car in front of him, but fortunately suffered only minor damage. To avoid similar incidents, always pay attention when driving and avoid using your cell phone while driving. To avoid such situations, keep a safe distance and do not try to overtake when there is not enough space. Always maintain a steady speed, stay focused and be alert to unexpected situations. Paying attention to surrounding vehicles will help reduce the risk of collision and protect everyone's safety. Edward was driving in Toronto, Canada when he was involved in a collision with a snowplow. Due to the bad weather conditions, he was driving too fast and did not have time to react before the accident occurred. Fortunately, no one was injured. In inclement weather, always drive slowly and keep a safe distance so that you can handle unexpected situations in time. To avoid such situations, always maintain a safe distance and pay attention to surrounding vehicles. In the event of a collision, reduce speed and stay calm. Use your indicators to notify other drivers of your condition. Stephen was driving in San Francisco, California, when he was struck by a black pickup truck. The car in front of him blocked his view, leaving him unable to react to the pickup truck. To avoid similar situations, always look carefully when driving in areas with limited visibility. Drive in a civilized manner to avoid unfortunate accidents like in the video. Always keep a safe distance from other vehicles. Especially, reduce speed when encountering complex traffic situations. Just to reduce the risk of accidents, it is important to maintain a steady speed and keep a safe distance. Always pay attention to the vehicles in front of you to help you react promptly to unexpected situations. Stay highly attentive and control your speed in all traffic situations. Anthony was driving down the road when a white car failed to notice his car. As the white car changed lanes without checking his mirrors, Anthony tried to swerve to the left to avoid the collision, but the collision was unavoidable. In this situation, it is important to always check your mirrors to anticipate the actions of other vehicles. To avoid such situations, reduce speed to increase control when driving in bad weather. Adjust driving speed to suit slippery road conditions and keep a safe distance from other vehicles. Ronald was traveling on the freeway in Austin, Texas, when he encountered a potential collision. His quick reaction allowed him to regain control and brake in time, avoiding a collision with the vehicle in front of him. This highlights the importance of maintaining a safe following distance and being prepared for an emergency. Benjamin was driving at high speed when he saw the car in front of him stop suddenly. He immediately turned the steering wheel to the right to avoid a collision, and luckily, he did not have an accident. However, his car went down the side of the road. Always keep a safe distance from the car in front and reduce speed when driving conditions are unfavorable. Will help you avoid unfortunate collisions. When Gregory was moving and changing lanes, he did not pay attention to the car moving next to him. As a result, a minor collision occurred. Fortunately, the damage was not serious. To avoid collisions, always look carefully before changing lanes and check your mirrors and blind spots. If you have been drinking, the most important thing is not to drive. Alcohol impairs your reflexes and decision-making, leading to a high risk of driving. In the event of a situation, such as driving off the side of the road, immediately call for assistance or rescue services to help you get out of danger. Stephen was involved in a collision on a North Carolina highway when a white car avoided a guardrail and crashed head-on into his vehicle. Although Stephen's vehicle was badly damaged, fortunately no one was injured. To avoid accidents, always keep a safe distance and pay attention to surrounding vehicles, especially in difficult road conditions. While traveling on the highway, George's pickup truck had a serious accident when a material transport truck suddenly braked without warning. The collision caused severe damage to George's car. To avoid a similar situation, investing in a collision warning system can be an effective solution to protect yourself and your vehicle. When driving on the road, a foreign object flying out and hitting your car is an unexpected situation that can be worrying. Although the machine is not affected in this case, it is still important to check your car after the incident. Stop in a safe place and thoroughly inspect it to ensure there is no hidden damage or leaks that could cause a hazard later. David went on a long trip without enough sleep, which resulted in his car veering off the road. Despite his efforts to correct the situation, the car flipped over. Fortunately, he suffered only minor injuries. To avoid a similar situation, make sure you get enough sleep before a long drive. Never underestimate the importance of adequate sleep for driving safety. The black car violated traffic laws by changing lanes from the third row instead of the first lane. This action almost caused a serious accident on the road. To avoid danger, always follow the lane-changing rules and make sure to use the correct lane when turning.
Holy shit.
Justin was driving his pickup truck when he suddenly collided with another vehicle. Due to his inattention, he did not notice the vehicle had stopped before the collision occurred. Fortunately, due to the slow speed, the damage was limited to the front of the vehicle and was not serious. While George was driving his pickup truck, the rear tire suddenly blew out, causing the truck to swerve and hit a guardrail, causing serious damage. Fortunately, there were no further accidents. To avoid similar situations, regularly check your tires, make sure the pressure is correct, and replace them when there are signs of damage. Alexander was driving his pickup truck on the road in Calhoun, Michigan, when he suddenly had an accident. A red car was moving at high speed to pass him and collided with the front of his car. The impact was so strong that the red car was dragged dozens of meters. Fortunately, no one was injured in this accident. To avoid similar accidents, always keep a safe distance and obey the speed limit when driving. To avoid a similar situation, always check your mirrors and blind spots before changing lanes to make sure there are no vehicles behind you. Use your turn signals long enough to alert other vehicles of your intentions. As Kenneth was driving down the road, he was involved in a serious collision when a pickup truck crashed into his car at high speed. The collision caused extensive damage to the pickup truck, with the wheels coming off before the vehicle came to a stop. Fortunately, there were no further accidents. To avoid accidents, always keep a safe distance and slow down when traveling near other vehicles. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video until the end. If you find the video interesting and useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos about dangerous situations on the road. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your feelings. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue bringing attractive content. See you in the next videos.